L'honneur. As you can see, I am Ayizan, a Loa in Haitian Voodoo, often depicted as a wise and mature woman. I am also considered the Loa of the marketplace, commerce, and herbal knowledge, and am revered for my guidance and wisdom in matters of trade and healing. Ayizan is associated with the promotion of economic prosperity, particularly in relation to small businesses and trade activities. My symbolized verve is a palm frond and is associated with the promotion of growth and fertility in various aspects of life, including agriculture and business. In addition, I am known for my expertise in herbal medicine and healing traditions, and often sought for assistance in matters of health and well-being. Your offerings to me may include items such as palm leaves, flowers, and other items associated with herbal knowledge and fertility. Moreover, I am honored in various voodoo ceremonies, especially those related to the marketplace, commerce, and healing practices. The belief is I have the power to bring stability, prosperity, and abundance to those who honor and appeal to me. Lastly, my presence is celebrated in Haitian voodoo festivals, where devotees offer prayers, songs, and dances to honor my influence in the realms of commerce and healing, and they venerate me, Ayizan, for my nurturing and protective qualities, as well as for my ability to bestow blessings and guidance upon my followers. So, Haitians, Aibobo, to you all.